Let's talk about creating layered cut files in Procreate. And to be honest, there's an easy way and a hard way to do this. The hard way is better if you want to sell your SVG online, but the easy way, it works in a pinch. So that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, so here's our design we're working with. And I'm gonna be honest with you, the first part of this process starts when you're drawing your design. Because when you're doing it, every separate color needs to be a separate layer. You add layers by clicking this little tab and clicking the little plus button and then start drawing. You can see I've got 4 layers right now, and it's better to have too many layers than not enough. Meaning, like, originally this layer was not black, but then I decided to change it all to black, and so now I can just merge these down by pinching them. So now the black has a layer and the orange has a layer. Uncheck your background color, go to the toolbar, click Share, and then under Share Layers, select PNG files. Save. Open Cricut, upload, select, select. Repeat.